Today we're going to prepare an open-faced sandwich called Skaa gen. It's a Swedish dish, but the name is actually from Denmark.
We can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home.
And here's the ingredients. Shrimps, of course, mayonnaise, and in the Swedish kitchen we use a lot of dill. It's trout roe and some horseradish to give it a little punch. Some lemon juice for acidity and a little peel of the lemon, a little flavor of lemon. The bread. Time to start. I'm starting with chopping the shrimps. I cut them up in smaller chunks. Mayonnaise. Chopped dill. Horseradish. Peel of the lemon. A little more mayonnaise. Lemon juice. Yeah. So there we're done. This consistency is perfect for me. I want it pretty tight, like this. Not too much mayonnaise. That's good. Next up is going to pan fry the bread. So this is clarified butter. So we fry the bread in clarified butter. Until we color like this. I'm done.
This looks delicious, Johan. I'll take a little squeeze of the lemon. Just a tiny bit. And the dill looks nice. And then this is salmon roe?
No, it's trout roe.
Very nice. I'm sure it's oishi, but let's see. It is very nice.
Tastes like home.
So the ebi, the shrimp, they taste slightly different than what they do in Sweden, but you got the nice salty taste. And then the mayonnaise and the dill. So yes, I would say this, it tastes very Swedish.
What about the horseradish?
Well, I know there are different recipes of this dish. I prefer the one without the horseradish because I find it's more traditional, but you're the chef, Johan, so yeah, so the horseradish is nice.
Yeah.
Just creates a slightly different dish, but it's very nice.
This is very simple to make. As you see, it's pretty fast to make. You can buy your mayonnaise. You can replace the shrimps with crab or lobster, and it's very simple to make.